There's an interesting little, where are we? There's an interesting little snail. That snail right there is a lightning whelk. All right, that is a predatory snail that is common on the grass flats. He is crawling around. You can see his proboscis sticking out there. They eat other snails. And we are at low tide. And it's a rather blustery day. You can see here the first line of grass, the shoal grass. And then out a little further, you see another line of seagrass. You have the turtle grass. Now at low tide, you see all those tunicates, the hillbilly squirt gun, if you will, or the salps. Those guys belong to phylum Chordata. As larvae, they are very small plankton and resemble fish. They do have a dorsal nerve cord. As adults, you can see they just kind of look like a blob, and they filter the water. So here's a temporary mud flat. Generally, that is below the tides most times. During an extreme low tide, we certainly have exposure. Now it is quite windy out, and you can see the current. The current is being pushed by the wind. It's very strong. And there's Bunce's Pass. Bunce's Pass leads into Fort DeSoto and those Spoil Islands. And then there's some bridges that lead onto Fort DeSoto as well. So we're just taking a survey of the grass flats at low tide under specific weather conditions, and this would be windy weather conditions.